Please watch a tutorial listed in the description to match my final render settings, as I'm using a cloned Look Dev HDRI setting. Let's go to the World Properties tab. I'm using Blender's forest.xr HDRI file as my background image. Let's go to the render preview mode. In order for the HDRI to be seen, we need to make sure the transparent setting is turned off. The current position and rotation of the HDRI image controls where the brightest spot is. Let's add a teapot mesh. If you don't see the teapot in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Let's switch to Eevee, and apply a shiny material. We can see where the brightest spot is, but we can only rotate the object in order to find the best spot. In order to rotate the background image, we need to go to the Shading tab at the top, and choose the World category. Select the HDRI image node, and press Ctrl+T to add mapping and texture coordinate nodes. If Ctrl+T doesn't work for you, please activate an add-on called Node Wrangler. If we adjust the mapping node's rotation Z, then we'll be able to rotate the HDRI image. This is how we rotate the background HDRI image in Blender. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.